The Don Bosco Learning Center in Quetta has taken a courageous step towards environmental conservation, inspired by the teachings of Pope Francis and his call for the care of the planet outlined in his encyclical Laudato Si. Pakistan is among the top 5 Asian countries severely affected by climate change, as indicated by the Global Climate Risk Index. In light of this sad reality, the Don Bosco Learning Center in Quetta has taken up the challenge, trying to instill a deep sense of responsibility and pride in protecting the environment through seminars and concrete actions. The 22nd Provincial Chapter of the Salesian Province of Brazil, Porto Alegre BPA, took place from 23rd to 26 April at the Cristo Redi Sao Leopoldo Spirituality Center, an essential event for the BPA province which brought together consecrated men and women and lay people committed to the Salesian mission, with the aim of tracing the path of the Salesian presences in the south of Brazil. During the days of the chapter, participants were guided through moments of prayer, reflection and deliberation. There was the election of moderators, formation on the topic, the provincial's report, collective work on the core areas and the election of the delegate to the GC29, Father Sergio Ramos, BPA Vice Provincial. The culmination of the event was marked by the closing mass, presided over by Father Ademir Ricardo, BPA Provincial, and by the religious profession of Salesian Kleber Oliveira. 967 young athletes, 115 coaches, divided into 9 delegations representing the Salesian presences of the province of Portugal POR, competed from 25th to 28 April in the 6 sports discipline planned for the 28th edition of the Salesian National Games. Futsal, basketball, volleyball, table tennis, swimming and chess competitions were held under the Salesian values of friendship, sharing, mutual respect and fairness. In addition to the games, there were dance shows, music with 50 artists involved and moments of prayer. The event was made possible thanks to the work of 279 staff and volunteers, 32 referees, technical teams, families and sponsoring bodies. The Safina Cultural House in Lubumbashi, run by the Salesians of Don Bosco in collaboration with the Youth Club, organized from 19 to 28 April the 14th edition of the School Theatre Festival with the acronym FITHESCO in French. The Safina Cultural House belongs to the Salesian work at Salama and has as its vocation the cultural and Christian formation of young people. Therefore, through the festival, we want to promote theatre culture in schools in order to respond to its primary mission as the work of Don Bosco. During this edition, students developed their play performances focusing on the themes of tribalism and the environment. From April 19 to 21st, the activity called Akampa Bosco 2024 took place, bringing together about 80 young people in Pindamon, Hangaba. It was organized by the Youth Ministry sector in the Salesian Nossa Senhora Auxiliadora province of Sao Paulo, Brazil, PSP. The central objective of the event is to promote youth leadership and leadership in Salesian communities, offering spaces, opportunities and forms of support. The program included sports activities, competitions and moments of spirituality. The diversity of the participants reflected the richness of Don Bosco's legacy, while the personal encounter with Jesus Christ was highlighted as fundamental in guiding the projects and lives of young people. Akampa Bosco is not only a moment of fun and conviviality, but also an opportunity to strengthen faith and commitment to the Salesian values of each of the participants. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.